What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another FIFA Career Mode rebuild. Today we're doing Tottenham. If y'all's enjoying the content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and let's get viral. And yeah, we're playing Lorenzo ball here. We transferred all the players that we need out. And yeah, we're going to send to the end of the season. Next Sunday, y'all, we'll mark 1 year on the day to our YouTube channel. So I'd like to say thank you all for subscribing and liking the videos and viewing them as well. This is the end of the season. 4th in the league. And we're going to sim to the next one. We signed David De Gea, still on a free agent. And yeah, this is the team. In January we signed Pedro Porro for right back. Anyway, so for our Champions League group, we beat Liverpool and knock out Real Madrid. We've got Man City in the final. And yeah, the Champions League final day. This game was actually quite intense for me to play on FIFA. They start off by scoring. We had a few chances. And it was 1-0 to us at half time. They have more chances. But we end up scoring again. Holland scores a header. But we end up winning 3-1. This is the end of the video. If you guys enjoying the content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and let's get viral. We've got a video on the podcast channel coming later today as well. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe and let's get viral.